Here's a quick review on this Ultimate Sack 6000 beanbag chair. Also comes with a footrest right there. I got the color in burgundy. It's Burgundy Suede, but there's tons of other colors as well. And this liner, this cover actually comes off. There's a zipper to this if you want to go ahead and wash the covers. So you can take that whole thing on. It's pretty easy to put back on as well. And the same thing with the footrest here. It comes with zippers on here, so you can clean the linen if you wish. Now, when you first get this when you receive it in the package, it's super airtight, so you have to actually rip open the plastic. And what you have to do for the next few days is kind of keep doing this so it can fluff out. Okay, I mean, this is at the past like 4 or 5 days. This has really got super puffy. And you can see, and by the way, I'm 6'1", like 165 pounds. And let me pick this up. It is kind of heavy, so you can see here. And you can actually have like 2 adults on here. Probably would be no problem. See how this looks, like this. Definitely comfortable. You also have this footrest here, but this one here, if an adult sits on it, it's kind of flat. And you can see you're going to go all the way down with this one here. But I guess you can use this as a regular beanbag for like a kid or like a toddler or whatnot. Again, kind of see this here. Super comfortable. Oh, another thing too is, you know, if you guys don't like this like linen and it gets kind of like hot and whatnot, you can always put like a nice like mattress sheet over, like a fitted one, to make it just a little bit cooler if you wish. And I'll give you a better look. See down here. So well, there you go.